behind me. Anyways, really quickly, I just decided to make an impromptu video of making my signature chicken rice and gravy. Meat of preference is always boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Jasmine rice. The rice is already in the pot boiling, so I need to low the heat and put the lid on it and get to cleaning this meat so I can season it and smother it on the pot. Here we go. Where I do use the brown gravy, the McCormick's 2 packs. And again, my seasoning. Of course, you know we wash those hands. But to spare y'all some video time, just take my word for it, okay? Okay. All right, here we go.
You and me, you and me. That's between you and me. You and me. That's between you and me. You and me. That's between you and me. You and me. I'm not to nobody else.
So I decided to make some broccoli. So I'm gonna use this.
It's a parade without the bands. I need a fast. I need a cash. Don't wanna check. I'm tryna flex. I need that advance. I need that advance. It's a parade without the bands. I need a fast. I need a cash. Don't wanna check. I'm tryna flex. I need that advance. I need that advance. It's a parade without the bands. I need a fast. I need a cash. Don't wanna check. I'm tryna flex. I need that advance. I need that advance. It's a parade without the bands. I need a fast. I need a cash. Don't wanna check. I'm tryna flex. I thought I told you.
Ta-da! Meanwhile, this one over here is trying to eat my steaming hot food. It's too hot.
I need that advance. I need that advance. It's a parade